Are you wanting to increase your YouTube presence and possibly even start making money on your YouTube channel, but you have no idea how to do it? It's totally important because YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the entire world, just behind Google, which is actually number one. Hi, I'm Krista Mashore here with Krista Mashore Coaching, and I want to teach you about how to get the most out of your YouTube channel. It's important to make videos, but it's also important to make sure that you upload them onto Facebook as well as your YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain what you're going to need to do in order to monetize your YouTube channel and start making money from videos that you're actually creating. By the way, if you like the content, please do me a favor and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you're getting notifications every single time that I upload a new video. YouTube has a partnership program where you can partner with them and actually make money off of your videos. How do you actually make money off your videos, you're asking? Well, through advertising. YouTube's advertising is different than any other platforms. On YouTube, advertisers pay to advertise on your videos. Do you ever wonder why you see a video advertisement before you watch a similar video? Because that company actually purposely picked the video you were about to watch to advertise directly to you. So it's no wonder when you're about to watch a video on wine, some type of wine or a winery or an ad that is actually related to wine actually shows up first. Once you get accepted into YouTube's partnership program, YouTube actually shows your videos to potential advertisers who can advertise their products to you because you fit their customer avatar. We know how the advertising works, but how do we actually partner with YouTube and actually get people to advertise on our page? YouTube has only 2 qualifications for the partnership program, but they both take some time to qualify. Now, before I go into the 2 qualifications, I really want to stress this and make you understand that this is a grind and it does not happen overnight, especially if you're starting from scratch. So give yourself some grace because it does take time. The first qualification is that you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. The other qualification is that you need 4,000 hours worth of watch time on your videos. This might seem overwhelming or even at first impossible, but I assure you it's not because I just recently did it. Would you like to have 2 days of live coaching directly from me, where we're actually going to go over one strategy that in 2020 brought in 48 seller transactions? Well, you want to go to KristaMashore.com/2dayslive. That's KristaMashore.com/2dayslive. Our next live is actually February 22nd and 23rd. It's only $97 and you get coached directly from me all day long for 2 days straight. So if you're wanting more sellers and you're wanting to learn to utilize video and social media in your business, then show up to our next 2 days live. Go to KristaMashore.com/2dayslive and I will see you there. If I did it, then you can absolutely do it too. So the first thing you should start doing is focusing on getting 1,000 subscribers. As you're gaining subscribers, your watch hours are going to start going up as well. Here are some tips on how to actually get your first 1,000 subscribers. Run a contest where if people subscribe, they get to enter for a drawing for a prize. 2, you can also email your videos to your subscribers. 3, you can collaborate with other YouTube channels. And also, if you post your videos on Facebook and Instagram, alternate them with YouTube. So if you post a video this week on Facebook, next week post a link to your YouTube video instead of your Facebook video. You should really be posting all of your videos to both Facebook and to YouTube all the time. Do things like ask family members and friends to actually subscribe, post your videos in groups on Facebook, and post your YouTube videos on all of your platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, etc. And I call this video repurposing. If you'd like to get a free training on how to actually get the most out of your videos and how to actually do video repurposing, then just do me a favor and click the link below, give me your email address, and then I'll go ahead and send you over that training right away for free. Also, it's important to note that as you start to gain more subscribers, YouTube opens up new opportunities for you to actually make money off of your own YouTube page. You can make money from things like selling merchandise, having a members only section, brand deals, and more. I hope this video actually helped explain to you how to start making money from your YouTube channel and getting more subscribers. It's not going to happen overnight, but it is an incredible journey. And once you start making money from your videos, it makes you want to make even more, and it makes it fun. It's exciting every single day to log into your YouTube page and see how much money you made and how many more subscribers that you had. And don't forget to leave any questions or comments that you might have below. I love getting your feedback from you guys, and it actually makes me more excited to want to produce content that's helpful for you. So I'd love to hear from you. Be sure to comment below and let me know what videos that I can do to make an impact on your life. And as always, everyone, make it a great day, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free, and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.